for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called the Reindeer Round-Up. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here's the setup for the Reindeer Round-Up. I have 7 reindeer out here. I have 4 corners that are taped off with some blue tape, and I made these frisbee plates, okay? Now, what I'm gonna have to do is collect 3 reindeers in this first level, okay? So again, I'm gonna have to go to any corner, and I'm gonna have to toss the ring, and even if I don't make it, I must travel to another corner. Try again, okay? You must constantly travel and move to different corners. You cannot repeat from the same spot, okay? So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll give level 1 a try in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. All right, that's 1 reindeer. That's 2 reindeers. Oh, just missed. Ah, just missed. Again, for level 1, I got to just collect 3 reindeers. And time. All right, so for level 1, I was only able to round up 2 reindeers. So I'm gonna give level 2 a try in just a moment. All right, so now we're moving on to level 2. Now in level 2, I need to round up 5 of my reindeers. All right, here we go. 1 minute to capture 5 reindeers. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. All right, that's 1. That's 2. Last one! Last one! And time. Alright, so I did not pass level 2 either. I captured 4 of my reindeers. I rounded up. I only needed 1 more, so. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of the Reindeer Roundup. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, what you guys would use to modify it, and again, how your students are participating in this game. Again, please don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot, and as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.